The package contains the lock, a mounting plate, 4 screws, 3 adapters, a reset pin, a quick installation guide, a warranty card, and an adhesive strip. Now we're going to show you how to mount the HU06 lock on the door. First, place the adhesive strip over the exterior of your existing deadbolt to hold it in place. Second, remove your existing knob from the inside of your door. Make sure to save the screws. Third, the screw holes of the mounting plate are adjustable and compatible with a variety of stud distances. Fourth, ensure the deadbolt is in unlocked position and place the HU06 mounting plate on the inside of the door and vertically aligned with the door frame. The tailpiece should be in the center of the middle punch hole. Insert the screws from the thumb latch you just removed into the mounting plate. Assure you have just tightened the screws well. Fifth, there are 3 plastic adapters that come with HU06 lock. Select adapter A if you have a flat-shaped tailpiece that is sitting at an angle. Select adapter B if you have a flat-shaped tailpiece with either horizontal or vertical. Select adapter C if you have a D-shaped tailpiece. Sixth, find the correct adapter that matches with your lock's tailpiece and slide it onto the metal rod with the smooth side going first. Seventh, remove the front plate of the HU06 lock as well as the rear cover of the battery pack. Eighth, place the HU06 lock onto the mounting plate. Wiggle the knob and make sure it is vertical when installing. Then tighten the screws to secure the thumb turn panel. Ninth, manually lock and unlock the door with the key and the knob to make sure the HU06 lock has been installed correctly if the bolt could extend and retract smoothly. Tenth, keep the lock in unlock status and install 4 AA standard alkaline batteries to the battery compartment. Pay attention that rechargeable or extended life batteries could cause malfunctions to your lock. It proves that the lock is powered if the lock status indicator flashes with beeping sounds when you lock and unlock the door manually. 11th, put back the lid of the battery pack and the front plate of the lock to complete the installation. Once the HU06 lock is installed correctly, you will be able to connect it to our app on your mobile. First, download our LaView app and open it. Select the Sign Up button at the bottom and register your account. Second, enable the Bluetooth of your mobile phone. Third, remove the front plate of the HU06 lock and find the reset hole. Fourth, keep the deadbolt in unlock position. Hold down the reset button with the pin included for over 5 seconds to reset the lock. If the reset is successful, the bolt will reallocate and learn the orientation of the door. Then the lock will stay in pairing mode for 3 minutes. Fifth, go to the LaView app, tap the plus icon on the top right corner of the home page, or click iDevice button and select the HU06 Smart Lock to add. Sixth, complete the pairing process with the app by following the guide in the app. Seventh, after adding, long press the lock icon to unlock or lock the door to test if the connection is successful. Eighth, the range of the Bluetooth connection is 33 feet in general. However, The maximum communication range is not fixed in terms of obstacles or electromagnetic interference. Additional Bluetooth gateway should be used if you want to control the lock without limitation. Please refer to the video we uploaded before connecting the gateway.